A KHASI film, JINGIM, which has been produced by CHWA SYIEMLIEH Film Production and directed by KIKI GAROD, stars WANRI PYNGROPE as the lead actress and PHORA DOHTDONG as lead actor, besides the supporting cast of actors. The cast and crew of JINGIM held a press conference on 29th November to announce the release of the film, which is scheduled for 3rd December 2021 at 11 a.m. at the BIJOU Cinema Hall, Police Bazaar, Shillong. The film has been shot in various locations across East KHASI Hills and has been estimated at a cost of approximately Rs 20 lakhs. One of the supporting actors of the KHASI film, JINGIM, Arman Disyar, while speaking to newspersons, announced that the storyline revolves around problems and challenges faced by people in their transit from the rural to urban life, where the influence of urban life often leads to forgetting their roots. The actor also appealed to the government for a recognition of local actors and artists so as to promote them through shows and events that are being held from time to time.
Producer jangan ingat film singin ba section SYIEMLIEH nang ta Kiki Garod director jangan ingat film but ki artist para te kan film ni dan ki artist main artist ki ba khamada ke long PHORA DOHTDONG WANRI PYNGROPE naki wanda watri nang ta manga but yarap ba nang ta bat Joseph PYNGROPE opinion bat sakit lagi jong khmat hapo BIJOU Cinema Hall halai trik jongu December jong news nem arjat arwai ika bamanta yele no ban penitho yele no ban itho yangi yele no ban tep yangi ba ngiru ngidei kita ki KHASI nalar kata ngi dangdan hi kata bentai yangi banginong ba habang isya bangi latip bangi dei ki art local artist te ngi scam bat shane scam yuru ba pin sai tho no nang shakmat la ka jingkat palet ke jonga kata hi te kumno ban kentiu pat iya kane ke jongi hangne masukan tu masu ajingot lang hi sarkar khnang makin smutho ya kane ka banta jongi ka bangi yem hane tingi scam ba kane ka ek baro khot ba pinya smutho lang ajimot lang ingi lada pi ba mangi ngilong kita baret rai shim ingi pat bangin long kita ki tre lang bat pi ba sarkar ba ai lang kita ka mensim ketika diam ba pin itu no ingi nang shmat kata inga kwa nomor balai ba lada ngi pet khai pet kum nuksa spo nong stang ngi bagiran ki KHASI long itna te long tu tempe hang ne po Shillong pat Cherry Blossom te kalalong labun tamana bar siyo kai WR KHASI te katulong ho ngiron kam ki bana bar nginom ong rabaong nginom don kam shu ngiron kam tang bai le ban penbon la ne ban yo ai ban talang yang gi artist KHASI kata kan long kan jik smutnat kalong nangaru gadan na nir dan bat ya barok ki pan ba kata hi syukun tu ko sarkar ban itu no nang shikmat ni